This is Josh Solon with JTech. It's my steering and suspension class video. We're going to be looking at the suspension components on this truck. So this is a four-wheel drive Ford Ranger 2002. And on this Ranger it has a torsion bar suspension. Most of your pickups you're either going to have a torsion bar or a coil spring suspension. This one happens to have a torsion bar. And how this works is right there. That is your torsion key. And that connects to the torsion bar right here, which connects up into the control arm. When you turn this torsion, this bolt right here, it'll move the torsion key up or down. That can adjust where your torsion bars sit and how the suspension of the truck sits. You don't want to crank them up all the way because it can wear out your front end suspension parts, components like your ball joints and stuff like that. But we're going to look up here now. There you go. That's your lower ball joint right there. That connects your the bottom part of your spindle to your control arm right here. That's going to be your shock. There's the shock on the truck. This is your upper control arm. And these cam bolts, they're going to control the camber of your wheel, which is how your wheel sits like this or like this, positive like this, negative like this. And that is what is adjusted for an alignment to have your wheels sit right. And if you don't do that right, it can mess up your alignment. Will be messed up with your suspension, and it can unevenly wear out your tires, which is bad. Nobody wants to spend money on new tires after getting some just because they got wore out for a bad alignment. Alright, we're gonna move to the back of the truck a little bit. The back of this truck has leaf springs, and these right here, this is just what holds up the leaf spring bracket with the bushing in it right here. Here we got 4 leaf springs on this truck, and they're gonna sit on a block that sits on the axle just to give it a little ride height. And this is the U-bolt. This U-bolt is what holds the leaf springs onto the axle. Back here, other side of the leaf springs, there's the other bracket with the bushing in it that holds the leaf springs in. And then here's your rear shocks back here. This is the rear shocks on the truck. Right over there. Looks about the same. About the same on that side. One more thing to show you. This right here, this is your sway bar. Sway bar. These are your sway bar links. And basically what those do is just when you turn, keeps the truck from rolling over, basically.